What's up, y'all? My name is Spencer, and my business is called Toddlers Can Read. I help parents and caregivers teach their little ones how to read with amazing online courses. We sell some other stuff too, like flashcards, but online courses is really the heart of what we do. And so the way that we use the quiz is to match parents with exactly what the child needs to learn next. If someone has a kid who say is below 18 months, or maybe they're above 18 months, but they're not there verbally yet with their oral language or with their memory, maybe the parent isn't ready to get started, we can return a result that says, you know what, you're not quite ready to get started yet. Here's some tips and here's some information that you can read in the meantime. Or maybe a kid is 7, 8, 9, 10. And what the school is doing is much far beyond what that kid is able to do right now, right? It's too advanced. We return a quiz with results to say, hey, here's exactly what you can do. Watch this video on YouTube, read this blog, check out this resource, okay? So we help match parents to the specific resource that their kid needs to be successful with their reading journey. And we've done this quiz a number of ways. We always have the questions. Then if you wanna get your results, enter your email address. And when it comes to people's kids and the kind of personalized, customized, tailored results that we offer, they're gonna wanna enter that email address, right? We're giving them really high value. What my coach has told me is if you want someone's email address, you gotta give them at least $20 worth of value, and we deliver at least $20 worth of value, if not more, every time someone takes our quiz. So we match parents to the right resources. We also have a second funnel, which is our webinar, the free training. And so a lot of the quiz results will also lead to the free training as well. So we're getting their email address from the quiz, we're giving them the results, then we're saying, hey, this other training can help you too, and we can push folks and funnel them in that direction as well. We've used this quiz for advertisements because it is much easier to get a cold audience to take a quiz than it is to get them to sign up for a free training. We've used this to place people in the webinar. I used to have 3 different versions of my webinar, one for each level of reading. So they take the quiz and it puts you here, here, or here. So we've used the quiz to funnel directly to the webinar here, and we've used the quiz as part of the webinar funnel where they literally get matched to the right resource as they go. Now, the most beneficial part of the quiz for me is obviously getting email addresses. When people finish my quiz, is designed in a way to get at their kid's age, their current ability, any learning concerns the parent has. It goes pretty in depth about different reading factors. And by the time a parent finishes, they're gonna want those results about their kid. They get to the email question they're gonna wanna enter. So I obviously benefit from the leads. But more importantly, like for the families who take this quiz, they're actually getting good information. This isn't just like a tricked you, got your email address kind of thing. This is a, hey, we have like a 4-page PDF. We have a resource, we have a thing for you that's gonna be tailored based on the results. And we have 13 different versions of the PDF for one quiz alone. There's 13 different answer types based on your kid, and we customize it and tailor it really, really, really tight. So moving forward with Interact, with the quiz software, our goal is to always just look at the data that's coming into us and say, okay, how are people responding? Are more people selecting this or this? Where are people dropping off? Are people dropping off at the cover page? Let's drop it. Let's put them right in the quiz. Or are they going through the cover page? Let's change it. Let's make it more appealing. All that sort of stuff. I can link them from my Instagram, from my TikTok, push people there. And I know once they click start, the quiz is gonna do its job. I'm gonna get those email addresses. I'm gonna get those parents really good information. So I don't know what the quiz is gonna look like in 6 months when we learn more, or in 12 months. But what I do know is it is incredibly helpful to have a software that makes ambiguous results clear for parents and caregivers so they know exactly what to work on with their little ones.